New Touch Industries is your one-stop metal processing shop. We specialise in precise computer-controlled laser cutting with a complete range of folding and fabrication services spread over our 2 locations. As well as cutting flat parts with a laser bed capacity of 2 metres by 4 metres, we also do laser marking and rotary laser cutting. We can also cut mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium up to 25mm thick, copper and brass up to 10mm thick. Ask our friendly staff about any of our services.
Did you know our lasers can comfortably achieve tolerances of plus or minus 0.2mm and much tighter tolerances when required, all with a minimal heat-affected zone? Our cutting capacities are mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium up to 25mm thick, copper and brass up to 10mm thick, most of which we hold in stock.
New Touch Industries is also your one-stop fabrication shop with precise computer-controlled brake presses at both locations. In addition, we offer rolling, spot welding, MIG and TIG welding and many other fabrication and finishing services. Ask our friendly staff about many in-house fabrication services we can offer.
We offer prompt and competitive quotes, reliable and consistent service, high-quality work, and the ability to help customers develop better products through innovation and professionalism. Now your business can benefit from our manufacturing technology and expertise, the solution to better productivity.
To assist in processing your orders faster, we've installed an automated manufacturing software system. Your components are now assigned a program number right from the quoting stage. By recording and ordering by your program number, you'll ensure a prompt and efficient turnaround of your requirements.
We've established long-term rewarding relationships with both our customers and our suppliers. Should you ever be in a position where your needs are urgent, we are only a phone call away. New Touch Industries can gear your production needs with a minimum amount of time without sacrificing quality and service and still at competitive prices. Our friendly staff have over 100 years combined experience, so just call, fax, email or drop in.